What if I told you that in just a few clicks, you could give your words the most realistic and expressive voice, so real, your audience might not notice it's AI generated? Well, Google just made that possible, and today I will show you exactly how to do it. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jay. If you've ever wanted to add lifelike narration to your projects, either dialogues, podcasts, or YouTube videos, without using an unrealistic voice, you're going to love what I have for you today. Google has just rolled out its new AI Studio voice generator, and it's not just another text-to-speech tool. This thing can make your content sound natural, expressive, and may I say, human, even with emotions. And the best part? You can use it right in your browser. No special setup required. In this video, I'll walk you step by step through how to access it, choose the perfect voice, and tweak it so it sounds just right for your content. You can make the voice laugh. You can make the voice giggle. You can make the voice cough. And it can even act out full conversations between characters, something other tools still can't do. By the end, you'll be able to turn plain text into realistic voices, language, or accents and have fun doing it. So grab your text, open a fresh tab, and let's dive in. We will start by heading to Google AI Studio's speech generation page. I have also dropped the link to access the website in the video description. So, open any browser of your choice, type ai.studio.google.com. You will need to sign in with your Google account. If you're not signed in, you'll just see the login prompt. Nothing tricky. Just choose your Google account, click Continue, and you'll unlock the creative interface. When it opens, at the upper right, you will see Settings. When you click on it, you have the option to switch between light and dark mode. But I prefer the dark mode, so I will switch to dark mode. You can choose anyone that suits you. Moving on, in the upper left corner, you'll see different icons like Chat, Stream, Generate Media. You can explore these features later. However, our main focus in this video is the native speech generation. Then, over here, click the drop-down menu to ensure your model is set to Gemini 2.5 Pro before you start generating the voiceover. When you click on this drop-down menu, you'll see some options: Gemini 2.5 Flash, Gemini 2.5 Flash Lite. But for this project, make sure it's set to Gemini 2.5 Pro. So let's head over to the speed generation area by clicking on Native Speed Generation to get to this interface. Click on this icon to choose between two modes, single or multiple speakers. Let's work with the single speaker mode. We will explore the multiple speaker mode later in this video because this tool will blow your mind. Once you click on the single speaker, you will see the model settings including temperature, but I will leave it at the default settings. Below that, click the drop-down button and you'll see different voices to choose from. Okay, so to generate a voiceover, you need to paste your script in this text area, choose a voice, and click on Run. Wait for some minutes, and boom, our voiceover is ready. To download it, click on the three dots beside the play and volume option, then download. Now, this is where it gets interesting. You probably didn't know this app can do a lot more. For example, one character can speak multiple languages and switch accents. It's amazing, right? Let's keep going. I'll choose one of the voices. Let's go with Sharon. Now, I want to show you why Google AI Studio is the best for now. Like I said before, it can speak different languages, switch accents, and has unlimited access. With that in mind, I already have the script we'll use. So, I'll copy the script from Google Docs and paste it into the text area.
So I grabbed my coffee this morning, right? And I walk into the meeting with two different shoes on. Nobody says anything until I sit down, and then someone whispers, "Are those supposed to match?"
Amazing, right? Google AI Studio captured the laugh and emotions like a real human. Even where I added the laugh, it interpreted it so naturally and realistically. This tool is the real deal, and as of the time I'm making this video, its generation is unlimited. That might change in the future, who knows? So, let's enjoy it while it lasts. And the cool thing about Google AI Studio's text-to-speech tool, the same voice can adapt to different languages and even change accent. Awesome, right? Let's try a quick example so you can see for yourself. I'm going to show you how this same voice can switch languages, be it French, German, and it does it with the proper accent for each one. This is one of the interesting parts of this tool. It automatically adjusts to any accent. For instance, let's try a Nigerian Pidgin accent. I'll copy a Nigerian Pidgin script and paste the same script into the text area. We'll continue using the same voice, Sharon.
Ah, my guy, make I yarn you correct gist. So this guy for my street, he name na Tunde. Every time in waka come junction, ladies dey waka like say dem dey do parade. But he no dey look anybody face. He just dey nod dey form say, abeg, I sabi my worth. If you try talk to am, if he just smile dey go, na who get money and fit follow marry. True talk, na him sabi playing game well o.
When I said Google AI Studio is the real deal for now, I wasn't exaggerating. This tool is not just an alternative, it's an upgrade. Before we try out the multiple speaker feature for dialogue, let's try out a fun little example. This one's in French. Here in ChatGPT, I typed in an English script. Then I told ChatGPT, can you help me translate this into French? And here's the French version it gave me. I copied it, went back to Google Audio Studio, and pasted it. I will still use the same voice, Sharon. Click on Sharon, then paste the French text in and click Run.
A few moments later.
Bienvenue sur JStudio, votre espace de référence pour des tutoriels pas à pas sur des outils d'IA intelligents. N'oubliez pas de liker, partager et vous abonner pour ne pas manquer nos prochains tutoriels. À bientôt dans la prochaine vidéo.
Now, I'm not a French speaker, but it sounds like someone with a natural French accent. So I'm asking my viewers, if you're French, please let me know how well this voice handled the accent and pronunciation. Let's try Spanish. Follow the same process.
A few moments later.
Bienvenidos a JStudio, tu espacio de referencia para tutoriales paso a paso sobre herramientas de inteligencia artificial inteligentes. No olvides darle like, compartir y suscribirte para no perderte los próximos tutoriales. Nos vemos en el siguiente video.
If you hear or understand Spanish, please rate it in the comment section below. Let's know how well the voice handled the accent. Now, let's move on to the multiple speaker mode. Watch and see how this tool creates dialogue very easily and fast. So right here, when you click on multiple speakers, you can see that the interface is different. Here you can select the voices you want to use for speaker 1 and speaker 2. For this demo, I want a male and a female voice. The male will be speaker 1, the host, and the female will be speaker 2, the guest. So here, I'll continue with Sharon to begin the dialogue based on my script. Now for speaker 2, which is me, okay, I'll use the same voice from this video tutorial, Zephyr. Once you are done setting up the voices, you'll see Add Dialogue. Click on it, and it will bring up this text box. Now what I will do is go back to ChatGPT or wherever you saved your script. For the first line, I'll copy Sharon, speaker 1's line, and paste it here. Then click Add Dialogue again. Go back to your script, copy speaker 2's line, and paste it in the second space. Just repeat this process for all the dialogue lines in your script. Once you are done pasting everything, just click Run.
A few moments later.
Welcome, Jay. Nice to have you on this program. So, tell us about your channel.
Hi, Jason. Thank you for having me. JStudio is a fun place where we learn about smart computer tools called AI. We show step-by-step tutorials to help anyone use these tools easily. The channel was started to help people understand AI tools and make cool designs with them, even if they are beginners. We want everyone to learn, have fun, and effortlessly use these tools.
That's inspiring, Jay. So, just before we call it a day, what do you say to your viewers?
Hey, amazing viewers! If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and leave a nice comment below. Let's grow and learn together. It's an exciting journey, and I'm happy we're in this together.
With this feature, you can easily create podcasts, dialogue scenes, audio dramas, and more. Let me know what you think about this tool in the comments. And hey, if you've watched this far and haven't liked the video yet, please go ahead and like, subscribe, and share. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. I'll be glad to help. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.